Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at mixed numbers and improper fractions. So the first thing I want to just clarify is that a mixed number is a number that has an integer part and a fraction part. So for example, if we had 4 and 2/3, that is a mixed number. That's an example of a mixed number. And an improper fraction is just a top. So the top number of the fraction, the numerator, is larger than the denominator. So for example, if we had 31 over 4, 28 over 5, something like that. Now, but this mixed number can be written as an improper fraction, and these improper fractions can be written as a mixed number. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to see how we can do that. So 4 and 2/3 can be written as an improper fraction. And what we're going to do is, the quickest and simplest method here that I like to use is we do 4 times 3. So we multiply the integer and the denominator. We get 12, right? And now we do 12 and we add the 2, which is 14. Now this is a new numerator. So 4 and 2/3 would be equal to 14 over, and because 3 is the denominator here, it will still be the denominator over here. So 4 and 2/3 can be written as 14 over 3. So what I've done here is I've multiplied the integer and the denominator to get 12. And then I've added on the 2 to get 14. So this is the new numerator. The denominator stays the same. Now here, let's go with this one here. So let's do 31 over 4. What we do is we will have to, we can write this as 31 divided by 4. Yeah? Now, what we need to do is we need to look at the remainders. So if we do 31 divided by 4, we would get 7, remainder 3. Yeah? Because 4 times 7 is 28, and then if we add 3, we would get 31. So 31 over 4 can be written as 7, which is the integer, and the 3 can be written as 3 as of the numerator over 4. So again, let's just go through this. 31 over 4 can be rewritten as 31 divided by 4, because that's what this line here means, 31 divided by 4. And if we did that, we would get 7, a whole number, we would get remainder 3. That is because 7 times 4 is 28. And then to get to 31, we would have to add 3. So that's the remainder. So we could rewrite this as 7, which is the whole integer, the number that we can divide it by. And then we've got 3 as a remainder. So we've got 3/4, so 3/4 left over. So just a summary, a mixed number is a number that has an integer and a fraction part. And the quickest method that I like to use is you multiply the integer by the denominator, and then you add whatever you get here. So 4 times 3 is 12. You add the numerator, which would give you 14, and that is a new numerator. So we've put that here. The denominator always stays the same. It does not change. Here we've got 31 over 4, and we've divided it, so we can rewrite it as 31 divided by 4, and we would get 7. So let's just ignore this part right at the moment. So what we do is we would do 31 divided by 4, which to get 7, and then we're left over with 3, because 28 plus 3 is 31. And then we've got 7 as the integer, and we've got 3 as the leftover, the extra over 4. So that's what we do. See here, the denominator doesn't change. Let's do it with 28. So if we do 28 over 5, we can rewrite it as 28 divided by 5. Now, what we can do, let's just draw a line here so we know they're separate. 28 divided by 5. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. And to get to 28, we need to add on 3. So we have a remainder of 3 here as well. So we can rewrite 28 over 5 as 5 and 3/5. So again, we've rewritten it like this. We found out that we can times 5 times 5 to get 25, and we've got 3 left over. So we can rewrite it as 5 and 3/5. Notice that the denominators do not change. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.